Hey everyone, welcome back to XVolt Tech, and today we got another iPhone repair video, just like the iPhone 5S. These two phones I got from the lot of phones that I got about a month ago. These are both iPhone 4Ss, as you can see by the model numbers. And so what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be swapping the logic boards of these two phones. The reason is because I do not have a white 4S in my collection, and I want a white 4S. Shut up, phone. I want a white 4S in my collection, and I already have black ones. And the white one has a iCloud locked logic board. This one does not. Well, last time I checked, I'm pretty sure that this thing was unlocked. So I'm just gonna make a gamble and say that it still is, and let's just go right into the repair. So I'm gonna be doing this simultaneously, parallelly. So every step that I do is going to be at the same time as the other one. So step one is obviously removing the two pentalobe screws and taking the back off. All right, it's a bit dirty back there. And she's off. All right. Okay, next step is to disconnect the battery. So I think here's where I have to switch to Philips. Now here's the question. If you guys had to buy a white or a black iPhone 4, which one would you buy? Would you buy the black one or the white one? I mean, there's a lot more color options now, of course. But if you had to pick between white and black, what would you pick? Alright, battery off. There we go. Batteries are disconnected. This is the easiest battery replacement I've ever done. Oh, I forgot about this thing. Whoopsies. I forgot that there was a battery removal thing. Ugh, the sound of the adhesive when it came out. Ew. Oh my god. That's gross. I don't know why we have to remove the battery. Alright, next thing is over here. I do appreciate how there's like very little adhesive here, while meanwhile the whole battery in modern iPhones is like entirely secured. Okay, now this is the dock connector that I need to peel off. So this is securing the cable cover, so I'm not sure what this is talking about. I think this is just, oh wait, no, this is where all the Lego connectors go, I think. I don't know if that's what they're called, that's just what Jerry Rig Everything calls it, so that's what I'm gonna call it. Alright, removing these 4 screws here. Now I do have some harder replacements that's gonna happen in the future between other iPhone 4s. Other 4Ss, I mean, because I have to, in one of them I have to actually do a screen replacement. Alright, sorry about that. Memory card ran out of space, so I had to delete some videos. Okay, let's see. Next step, I have to use the edge of a plastic spudger. Oh, there we go. Oh, I accidentally disconnected one of the cables. Whoops, okay. Oh, that's the exact cable I have to take out anyway. Oh, wait. I have to take the rear camera out. Okay. That came out so easily! Oh my god, that came out so easily. Alright, SIM cards are out. Alright, now we gotta disconnect these cables. Okay. First is the headphone. And then the front-facing camera cable. And then the digitizer. And then finally the display cable. One thing I do notice is that the cable layout is very different to an iPhone 4 because I have opened up an iPhone 4 and basically taken out the logic board before. Oh, and the power button cable, which is hidden below that. Yep, it is. Okay. There we go. Remove the one. Okay, I forgot I have to do that for this phone too. What's that? It says this, the grounding clip, I think. That's gonna be a nightmare to put back, probably. Okay, we're almost done. Just got a couple more screws, probably. Red. Orange. And a freaking standoff. Standoff. Oh, I see the board coming up. We've done it. Oh, there we go. We got the first logic board out. Now time for the second one. Oh. You can actually, I'm glad they actually marked it so I can tell the difference between the two. Anyway, it's time to put these back together. I mean, I could just forget about that one, but I'd rather not deal with the mess of parts I have over here. Let me just show you. These are the mess of parts that I have just for the white 4S. There's way more for the black. There's just as much for the black one. So, it's time to reassemble now. Okay, we got the non-icloud locked logic board in. I think. Oof. I'm actually just gonna start with putting this one back together first, because I'd rather just put this back together first. So let me move. Okay, iCloud lock board. Watch yourself. So we're just gonna focus on the main important phone here that I want in my collection. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. My camera died, and I decided that in the time that the camera was charging, I'd put the phones back together. So let's turn them back on. Okay. This one might be dead. Or maybe I didn't connect the battery correctly. So let me let me grab a charger. Yep, okay. Good. They both still work. That's good. Okay, so I didn't mess anything up. Hopefully. Everything seems to have been put together correctly. Alright. And we're in. Look at that. We now have a fully unlocked white iPhone 4S. As you can see, it's on iOS 8.1.1. which I might actually put this on iOS 6, just like my other 4S. Oh. It just died. I mean, it just died because it was at 10% battery. Because it's been sitting on my cabinet for quite some time waiting for this to happen, but repair successful! We swapped the logic board and now I have a fully working iPhone 4S that is white. I just have to charge it now. And seeing that this one works, I think we can, I don't know why it's flashing like that. I think we can, I'll give this one a little bit of time to charge and then we'll see where it goes from there. Hey everyone, welcome back. The phone turned on and it's telling me to restore with iTunes, so I got my MacBook here. I think this has to do with the battery or something, because my iPhone 4 actually kind of started doing this too. Okay, just gotta wait for it to show up in Finder. There it is. Because it just turned on its own. I didn't make it do this. Alright, let's restore and update. I already know that's going to be iCloud locked. Yeah, let's just hit restore here. Okay. It disconnected from the Mac, so I'm assuming it's going to do something here soon. Alright, yep, it's in recovery mode now. Well, yeah, it already was, but it's restoring the software now. Oh, I almost missed it, but there we go. It just turned on. So I'm sure if I start setting it up, yeah, no SIM card, I might have to deal with that later. I don't know if it'll go straight to the iCloud activation screen or if it'll ask me to put in a SIM card. Imagine if it wasn't iCloud locked, then I would have just wasted this entire video just swapping the logic board for no reason. that would... Ah, yeah, see, there we go. It is, in fact, iCloud locked. Yep, alright. I already have a 4S, a black 4S in my collection, so I don't really care about this one. But yep, there we go. And there you have it, guys. A successful logic board swap. So now I have a perfectly working white iPhone 4S and an iCloud locked iPhone 4S, which I'm going to probably just resell. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be making a few more repair videos on iPhones, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.